Hello, hello, hello! Ano na? Hi mga kamamon! Welcome back to my vlog. This is a mini vlog and we're here with my friends Marge, James, and Susie. Thank you! Yun lang.
Tonkatsu to
Ano yan, Day?
Tonkatsu.
We're here at Marina Food Hall and this is our first time.
Nasa bang sinigang na people.
dahil pinag-interesan mo yung prawn mo.
Bigay mo lahat.
Madali akong kausap.
This is a buffet setup and we got to know about this on TikTok, so we decided to try it out for our Christmas gathering. This is at the West Tower of the Marina One Show Gallery. Ayan ang mga food choices niya. In fairness naman sa price and the food and the ambience, it's worth it. But buti na lang, nilibre ako ng mga friends ko. Ay, anong libre? Ay, hindi ba?
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!
Mahaba din. Saan ulit kayo? Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas! Cheers, 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 cheers! After our sumptuous lunch, busog-lusog, Susie invited us to go with her to the Marina Bay Sands for coffee and to pick up the gift for her boyfriend. Bumibili sa Pedro, pero anong pagkasukat? Isang probinsya tayo. Ganun ang pagsukat.
Hindi ko may nagkakain.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Baka may gagamba dito. May gagamba.
Sa dulo. Sa dulo. But it cannot be combined.
Tawang-tawa si ate sa inyo dahil. Can you say that again? Can I put that in TikTok? She's so what? She's so... That's how you buy a shoes when you don't know your partner's size and you want to surprise them. So that's a smart move. From coffee to wine. Ang galing. Buti na lang libre kaya no complaint from me. Pala, sana hindi na lang ako dumating. Yay! Sponsor.
First prize. Kanina to? Ramon.
Oh my God! Thank you, Mom!
For you.
Washing machine! I love it!
Gold bar.
Oh my God!
Gold bar. Wow. Yaman.
Yaman!
Gold bar. Susie.
Yeah!
Next. May gold bar. James. Another gold bar.
Another gold.
Thank you so much. Merry Christmas, Mom.
The March naman.
Thank you, James.
Wow!
Thank you, Susie.
James!
Ito parang wala dito. Kira mo.
Oh my God! Ay, na-receive ko na yung kay Bimbi in advance. Ano, one last pa?
Ayan yan. Ito, hindi ko kay Kira mo.
Ano yan?
Baka.
Ah?
Ayan, nalipin na natin.
Thank you, Dad! Oh my God! May gift din ako, akala nyo. Hug lang.
Ayoko dahil.
Merry Christmas!
Ayoko dahil.
Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas!